Is your Spectrum router not showing the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network? You're not alone. This often happens because of DFS, dynamic frequency selection channels. Spectrum routers, especially older models, use these channels to comply with FCC regulations and avoid interfering with radar systems like those used by weather services and airports. If the router detects potential interference, it will temporarily hide the 5 gigahertz band to prevent disruptions. This can last up to 30 minutes. Also, ensure your devices support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi 5, or Wi-Fi 6. Firmware bugs can also cause the 5 gigahertz band to disappear. Spectrum regularly pushes updates to address such issues. First, try power cycling your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple step resolves about 50% of hidden 5 gigahertz cases. Next, check for firmware updates via your router's admin panel, usually accessible at 192.168.1.1. If problems persist, manually switch to non-DFS channels 36 to 48 in your router settings. Consider a factory reset as a last resort, but remember to reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings afterward. Spectrum's My Spectrum app also has a Wi-Fi health check tool that can automatically fix DFS-related issues. If you have an older router model like the Aris TG3482G, Spectrum might offer a free router replacement under warranty. As a long-term solution, upgrading to a Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 router will reduce reliance on problematic 5 GHz DFS channels.